How to enter LEGO Fortnite. So you have two options. What you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to scroll down. Then once you scroll down, as you guys can see, under game collections where it said LEGO Fortnite, which is the second option, you could click on that and you have a lot of games you could play. For example, this one right here, you have many options. The second option is if you want to play the actual LEGO Fortnite, what you have to do is you're gonna go on this search button right here. Then once you're at the search button, you're gonna have to search up LEGO Fortnite. Then once you search up LEGO Fortnite, as you guys can see, LEGO Fortnite just came out. So just click on that. And now I'm in LEGO Fortnite. I'm gonna have to select the world. I could select my own world, or I could create a new world. So I'm gonna just select my own world that I already used before. And you could see that I'm loading in LEGO Fortnite right now. It might take a while, so just wait for a bit. And I just loaded into LEGO Fortnite. So this would have helped you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.